Hello everyone, welcome to Danella's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I cook my delicious jollof rice. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Here is my washed meat. Add my spices, thyme, curry, salt and pepper. I add it into the meat, chicken, then I give it a stir. Here is what you have, voila. I put it in the pot without water, then I cover it to steam for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes the meat was ready. I remove it from the pot, then I put my oil into the pot. I add my bay leaf, my onion. I let it simmer for a while, then I go in with my tomato paste. I stir until the color change a little bit to red. Then I go in with my tomatoes. I air fry these tomatoes for a while, then I put it in my grinding machine. I grounded it, and here is the result. After frying the tomatoes for a while and I see it was ready, I added my grounded tomato and give it a stir for another 5 minutes. Stir. Then I can see oil on top of the stew. Then I know that my stew is getting ready. Then I continue stirring so that the tomatoes will not burn. I noticed that my tomatoes was too much for the kind of rice I wanted to cook, so you have to reduce it. I reduced my tomatoes. I added my stock water to my stew. Added my jollof rice spices. I added thyme, curry, my curry. I cover to cook for 5 minutes. Then I brought my rice. Then I added my rice to the stew and stir. Yeah, I stir to incorporate the stew to the rice. Give it a thorough stir. Then I go in to cover it with my foil paper. It's time to cover. Let's cover. Come in, guys. Let's cover. Cover. Then I let it cook for like 10 minutes, and then the rice is ready. Trust me, guys, the aroma of this rice and the taste was something else. So I go in to garnish it with I call it jama onion. Then I turn and turn and turn. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I so much appreciate. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. And I love you all. That is the end of today's video. See you in the next video.